Hey guys, so this is about take 10 of this video. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I've been talking about doing a makeup tutorial for the longest time ever. It's been about a year and I've been putting it off and off and off, but I figured this is the perfect opportunity. I just finished showering and I am on my way out to finish some last minute Christmas shopping. A couple weeks ago I got a really awesome gift from BLK. Not this one I'm going to be giving away to lucky subscribers. In the box is the new line from BLK. It's their Christmas line. It comes in beautiful packaging, so it makes for the perfect gift for your friends or for your loved ones. I just wanted to show you guys some of the products that are inside the box because they're really awesome. As you can see, they come in tiny packaging, and as with most of the BLK products, they're multifunctional. So, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna jump straight into it and I can explain it to you guys as we go along. Not that I'm an expert or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the mini soft matte mousse. I think that this is actually the same formula that they used before, just in a small package. With the mini soft matte mousse, you can actually use it for your eyes and you can use it as a blush too. And I am going to be using Moonstone. I gotta say, I love the names of their products too. And another thing that I like about their products is that you don't really need to use anything else. Like, you can just use your fingers, and I guess because of the warmth of your fingers, it actually blends even better. So next, I'm going to use it as a blush. I'm really a fan of using the same color on my eyes and on my cheeks because it gives like a very natural sun-kissed look. See, I really am not even using that much product, but it is really coming on nicely. That's it, pretty much. Okay, now for the sake of being able to use more than a couple products, I'm also going to use the mini creamy all over paint. So this one is similar to this one. It's very velvety, it's very easy to apply. You can use it for your eyes, you can use it for your cheeks, and you can also use it for your lips. I am going to use Sunstone. I'm gonna try this. Okay, so Sunstone. Wow, it's so nice. And they smell amazing too. Now I only really usually apply a little bit. So that's pretty much it. 2 products and that's basically my whole face done. Normally I have my lashes done by New Lounge. They are all gone for the first time in like a year. So I have to bring out my handy lash curler. I'm gonna give this a shot. Can you tell I don't do this much? This actually worked out perfectly that I haven't had my lashes done yet is because part of their Christmas special is they have this Mega Lift Mini Mascara. Again, it's mini, so you can take it anywhere. A lot of people are going to be traveling over the holidays like myself, and so it is amazing to have little products that can fit your Kikai kit. This mascara is actually super nice because it lasts really long.
Still have like one lash left.
Okay, now the bottom, which is the part that I always mess up. So how many minutes of your time have I taken up already? We are almost done. The next product that I want to show you guys is the Shimmer Jelly Multi-Pot. It's super cute. The consistency is kind of like in between a gel and a cream. I'm gonna use this as a highlighter. I love to put a little bit on the tip of my nose. A little bit here. And then I like to also, because I'm feeling a little extra today, dab a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes and a little bit under my brow. Sorry guys, I don't have a crazy amazing setup yet. We've just moved into our new house, and so I'm just doing this very simply. Okay, and then so now I've done that, I am taking just a tiny bit, which I'm gonna put here as highlighter. Really don't need to use that much. And then just dab it in. I think having this little bit of sparkle not only makes you look really nice and glowy, but it's really nice, very festive. I'm gonna definitely be using this when I go home to Thailand. Okay, and then last but not least, the mini sparkle gloss. And when I'm done and I've used all the products that I want, I just lock it in with a little bit of powder. It's that simple, super easy. Everyone can do it. I mean, if I can do it, I'm sure you can. Okay, so there you have it guys. This is my very, very quick makeup tutorial, my very first one ever. I hope I did okay. Next time, I promise I will have a better setup. I've literally just put our side table on the bed and stuck my camera on top of it. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to use these BLK products. For those of you traveling, like I mentioned earlier, they are the perfect little pieces to take with you on holiday. I know I definitely will be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you guys will leave comments in the comment section below to let me know what other types of videos you would like to see from me. 2020, I'm really going to focus on creating content and trying new things. So that's going to be a new adventure for me, but for now I want to give away these 2 boxes from BLK that they have so very kindly given me, which are loaded with the products that I just used on my face. And so 2 of my subscribers will be able to take this home and use it for the holidays. I will be posting the mechanics on my Instagram page and probably in the comment section below. I'm not totally sure how this works, but I will let you know when I figure it out. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You probably didn't learn anything new because I'm a bit of a newbie myself, but this was actually super fun and I can't wait to do more videos with you guys. Thanks for watching!